Have you ever pondered the question, what is consciousness and how can we measure it? It's a question that has baffled scientists for centuries. Consciousness is an intricate maze, a complex, interconnected network of sensations, thoughts, and perceptions. It's the essence of our existence, yet its quantification remains a daunting challenge. A crucial part of this enigma is the concept of connected consciousness, the internally generated behaviors that make us who we are, independent of external cues. To decode this mystery, anesthesiologists have crafted a novel technique known as the breathe-squeeze method. So, what exactly is the breathe-squeeze method, and how does it work? Imagine an innovative technique that allows us to study shifts in consciousness without causing any disruption. Intriguing, isn't it? This is precisely what the breathe-squeeze method does. It's a unique approach that centers on tracking a person's ability to perform voluntary actions without any external prompting. Here's how it works. A person is asked to squeeze a handheld device known as a dynamometer every time they breathe in. This simple action provides valuable insights into their level of consciousness. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? To put this method to the test, a study was conducted involving 14 healthy volunteers. Each participant was given a sedative, then monitored for their squeezes, brainwaves, and vital signs. The goal was to observe how consciousness changes under the influence of a sedative and how these changes could be measured using the breathe-squeeze method. As the sedative took effect, participants' ability to squeeze the dynamometer in response to their own breath diminished, indicating a shift in their conscious state. The researchers were able to track these changes, providing a real-time view of the transition out of connected consciousness. What was particularly striking about this study was the sensitivity of the breathe-squeeze method. It proved to be a more accurate gauge of consciousness transitions than traditional verbal commands, which can often be influenced by external cues. Interestingly, this method turned out to be a more sensitive approach to measuring the transition out of connected consciousness compared to verbal commands. So, what did the breathe-squeeze method reveal about our consciousness? Well, the study's fascinating findings suggest that consciousness isn't a simple on and off switch. Rather, it's a rich, multifaceted spectrum. The participants ceased performing the task at lower sedative concentrations, showcasing the intriguing influence of external cues on our consciousness. But there's more. This research implies that our connected consciousness could be compartmentalized into two distinct categories: internally generated behaviors and externally prompted behaviors, with separate transition points. Imagine consciousness as a vast ocean, with internal behaviors as the deep, tranquil depths, and external behaviors as the ever-changing, stimulus-responsive surface. These insights challenge our traditional understanding of consciousness, inviting us to delve deeper into the mysteries of our existence. They underscore the importance of exploring consciousness as a continuum rather than a binary state. This breakthrough in understanding consciousness with the help of the breathe-squeeze method could pave the way for new research and insights on our existence.